Oh, my lovely. Good. Markers and a coloring book. Alright. And they're the kind of markers that don't color anything but the paper. These are the best kind of markers ever. Yay, and it's a McQueen. Yay.
Who's that on there? Is that McQueen?
Yeah.
Yeah, Queen.
Yeah, Queen.
Yes.
Do you like presents? Do you like Santa? Can you say thank you, Santa? Yeah. We'll send this to him, and then he'll know that you were good.
You're such a cutie pie. This is for your daddy.